Hey guys, it's Hannah, and I'm currently parked at a gas station because I just filled up my tank, and I'm about to go thrifting, so I thought I would take you guys with me because you guys seem to really enjoy my thrift haul, and I love thrifting, so yeah, let's get going. I just arrived, and I'm gonna be honest, this is the most full I have ever seen this thrift store, and it's like the middle of the day, it's noon. And yeah, so it took me a while to find a parking spot, but I made it. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna be very chicken to film because there's so many freaking people, but you know, we're gonna see what I can do. And this wind is great. Mama, I'm home. All right, here we go. So far, I just have this. Alright, so I'm in the fitting room now, and I ended up with so much. I don't think you guys can tell, but it's a lot. So we're gonna get trying on. Okay, this I don't love. I thought I would like it, but yeah, no. Also, no, it's like way too long. And like you can see my bra. I already know I'm not gonna like, so I don't even know why I grabbed it. Whoops. This one I bought for a possible workout top. But like it's like still $8, so I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, sorry about my bra. I found this in the little boys section, as you can see, because it's like cropped, and I don't know if I want to like cut it more or if I like how it's already kind of cropped. But I was gonna crop it, but it kind of fits like already cropped, so yeah. Alright, this top I found in like the lingerie section, and I thought if I like tied it, it'd be cute. So I'm hesitant, but yeah. This is just a rain jacket. It's a men's small, so it's a little big, but I really need a good rain jacket, and this is LL Bean, and it seems like pretty good. I'm not wearing anything underneath, but yeah. Alright, this I also found in the little boys section, and I kind of love it. It honestly looks like brandy to me. I was thinking about cutting it, but I kind of like it long, but if I were to crop it, it would still be cute. So yeah, really like this. Now I have this like oversized, oh, you guys can't even see the color. Oh wow. Like navy and green plaid shirt. I like it, but I can't tell if it's itching it or not. It's just like a quarter zip oversized shirt. Alright, now I have this like teddy bear style jacket, and I don't think I love it enough to pay for it because it's like $9. But I definitely want a jacket with the teddy bear trend because I'm kind of obsessed. Okay, I have these black, like, I don't even know if they're velvet or corduroy. I feel like corduroy pants, and they fit really well, but I just can't tell if I will know how to like style them because they're so different, but they fit well. So okay, I have these white pants and they like barely fit, but I should have known because I've never been a size 2. So okay, I have like these wool pants. This is not gonna be everyone's style, and it's like not even my style, but I love when girls wear it. Like it's so cute because they're like, I can't hold my shirt up, they're like high-rised, but I wish they tapered at the end. Like I can't tell if I like that they're just kind of like straight-legged and a little short, like if you can tell, but like they look good. I don't know, I can't tell. Alright, so I'm out, just gotta go back to my car. It is such a nice day out, I swear. It's probably like 35 degrees or something, but in Minnesota that is warm for the winter. That guy just really stared at me in that truck right there, but yeah, I'm like so warm. Like I could honestly go in a t-shirt right now. Alright, well, despite the man watching me in the car parked in front of me, I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting. They put my stuff in like these bags, but you know, it's okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
So I ended up literally with all red. I bought all red, whatever, come at me. So I got the like lingerie shirt that I showed you guys. I paid, my total was $16, by the way. I got the little like cropped sweatshirt, you know, you guys saw it all, so yeah. And then I just realized both the sweatshirts I got don't have the strings in them, but that's okay. And then I ended up getting this one too. So those are all the clothing items I got. And then I got a pencil pouch. It's like the Clarence Target pencil pouch because I am into bullet journaling now, and I got a bunch of pens for that, so I want to store them all in there. Oh yeah, I even got a red belt. Wow. Because I think this will be fun with black jeans or regular jeans as a pop of color. And then I'm really into reading right now, and I'm trying to get myself to stay reading, like leisurely reading. So I got 4 books. I don't even know what they are. They're like really random books that just like kind of looked good. So I got them because they're like $1 each or something. That is all that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this thrift with me video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.